Put some water in one balloon.
Okay. Okay.
Put some water in one balloon.
Yeah. Ooh. More.
Oh. Okay. Blow up 3 balloons.
Blow until they're all the same size. Tie the knot. Okay. Okay.
It's so difficult.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, like this. And then like this. And then through. Oh. Okay, again. Like this.
Okay.
Like this. And then through. Get your fingers back. Ow. Ow.
Yes.
What?
Put the water outside in the of the second balloon.
On the outside, yes, good.
Put the wait a minute.
Put
Try again. Put the
yes.
oh yes.
Put the
plane under the balloon.
okay. Put oh. Water is on the outside. Put the flame under the balloon. Push. The water will the heating up a little bit. Balloon 3. Put the flame with the lighter. It's very hard to make the lighter work. Yes. Put the flame at the bottom. The water will absorb the temperature. The heat will go into the water. The balloon will get to 100, but not enough to melt the balloon. Oh, it did that time.
Put more water inside.
Yes, I think balloon 3 needs more water. The flame must only touch where the water is. Lots of water, lots, more, even more. Yeah, okay. Let's make all the balloons the same size for it to be fair. This is our last dark green balloon. Otherwise people say, oh, some colours, they pop easier. Okay, blow. Must be the same size. Put
the fan under the balloon.
yes. Just where the water is. Be careful of the flame. Flame goes up. Heat rises. Called convection.
This can yes?
Okay.
Okay, you try.
Oh no, it's got wet. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. Okay. Touch where the water is. And it does not heat up enough to make the balloon pop. If you put the flame where the water isn't, like here.
Oh.
Excellent!